I put a front on a rear on a 99. You're not supposed to. What I could tell a difference was the thickness, the height of that seal area. This one was grooved. The height of the seal area, plus all the splines are gone. And the size of the seal. This is a hair smaller than the fronts. So the front takes a seal with a smaller inside diameter. So these are larger, so they're pretty tight in the seal. The part I don't like is that when the axle's in there, it kind of floats. And I can move it in, out, almost a 1/4 inch. So that's about the width of that seal I had in there. That's the flange area on a front compared to a rear. The rear has maybe another 1/8 inch, so it would probably still catch right there. This one's probably right at the outside edge. But because the seal is smaller, I don't think any dirt's going to hit it. But it might wear out that seal. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on that axle every so often. Plus the inside splines are bad anyway. It's just a goofy design, but this is the left rear on a 99 Arctic Cat 500.